YouTube, what is up? So today I have got the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit clear case for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this has got a cool little carbon fiber MagSafe ring. So what do you say? Let's get into it. All right, so what do we got going on here? So let's go ahead and pop this thing open. Wait a minute, that's not how it comes. I just recorded the unboxing and I forgot to turn on that camera. Here's a little extra unboxing footage. So that was the original unboxing. There you go. Let's go ahead and pop it in there. Nice and snug. And I can tell you I already liked it, but I didn't record it. So this is a clean case, the clear case with the mag ring on it, and it's got that really, really cool carbon fiber. I dig that carbon fiber.
Really? Really?
Now for the case itself, it fits on there really nice. It's got good cutouts for your toggle switch here. It has got some good cutouts, the speakers, and then you have these little air cushion bumpers. You got some Spigen branding there, the air cushion technology to help with your corners and the drop protection area. It's got a nice raised lip.
Hey, lip! How's your lip?
Around the screen, so you can set that down with no problem. Raise around the camera. It's a little raised. It seems pretty close. It seems like just about
By that much.
that much, but that is enough to, you know, set your phone down on a flat surface and not have to worry about scratching up your cameras. Buttons themselves are good and clicky, nice and responsive and tactile. It feels really good in the hand. It's not a chunk of a case. It's not a slim case. You can't expect to have a really slim case with air cushions, because where are you going to put your cushions if it's too slim, let alone the air? Again, Spigen, you know, I really like their cases. I can't get over this carbon fiber ring. That just looks so sweet. Let's see what kind of give it has. So you got your volume rockers here. You got a little bit of give, but it snaps right back. Over here on the sleep to wake screen, a little bit of give, but it snaps right back. I do have a screen protector on my phone. Fits on there just fine. And down here, there's a little bit of give. Up top is a little bit more stiff. Everything comes back solid on the phone. I did turn that on, didn't I? Okay, thank God. Whew. I thought I missed another camera. Take number 27. So I want sometimes my phone just really pisses me off.